Alright, so you come in here. This room right here is the bathroom. Then these are the closets. This is the showers. Then we got a mirror, a couch, and 2 beds. Alright guys, next we're going to karaoke night. I haven't been vlogging much because it's been kind of hard to, but now we're going to karaoke, so I'll see you guys in a second.
Love is like a bomb, baby, come yeah. Living like a lover with a red eye. Looking like a tramp, like a video. Demolition woman, can I be your man? 'Cause I'm hot, sneaky and sweet, from my head to my feet. Yeah. Listen, red light, yellow light, green light, go. Crazy little woman in a woman show. Little green magic and the rhythm of love. Sweet dreams, saccharine, blue slave.
I'm still your lovable. I still feel the same way. She told me a story about 3 milk in a cow. She said no huggy, no kissing, no wedding now. My honey, my baby, don't put my love on no shelf. She said don't have no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
It feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right. It feels right. So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is...
Today, we didn't really do much. It's called the day at sea, because today was just the day of traveling to Cozumel, which is tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. I believe. Yeah, we have to wake up really early tomorrow to get to Cozumel from the port. This was day 2 of the cruise. I'll see you guys on day 3 at Cozumel.